It was a school morning. Leloo stood at the door, backpack on their shoulder. A few classmates were laughing on the other side of the room, but Leloo couldn't move. A quiet voice whispered inside, "Everyone's watching, waiting to judge you." Leloo's heart raced, palms sweaty, feet glued to the floor, mind filled with questions. What if I say something wrong? What if they laugh at me? It felt like the whole world was just watching. Then a classmate glanced up. No words, just a smile. Simple, pure, kind. In that moment, Leloo felt something soften inside. No one applauded. No miracle happened. But Leloo stepped inside. Because sometimes one simple smile can quiet the noise of judgment. And that is enough to start.